welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi, if you're new, I'd love it if you guys hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a very requested video. So many of you guys have been asking about my everyday makeup and I thought it'd be fun to share with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. It is going to be my everyday makeup routine. It's fairly simple. I try to go as light as I can, but I like to have that glowy highlight look. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll have all the products listed down below if you guys want to check that out. And follow me on Instagram if you guys haven't already. It's at Kellyprepster. I have outfit and makeup inspiration and fitness. It's just like a whole bunch of fun over there. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just get into it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you guys haven't. And give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. And comment down below which makeup product is your absolute favorite or go-to, because I love checking out new products and everything. So leave a comment. And I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye, guys!